Hello everyone. So in today's video we are going to discuss two philosophies which I am very interested in. I read books and I read articles about them on the internet, and I read books about them here. So the two ideologies which I am talking about are very popular. One of them is existentialism and the other one is absurdism. Okay, so in today's video I will try to explain it to you in with the help of a venn diagram here. Okay, so that you can have a very clear idea for both of these philosophies here. Okay, so what I am going to do here is that I am going to draw two circles here. Okay, so let's say this is the first circle. Okay, this is the first circle. Let's say this one will represent the absurdism. Okay, so let me write here absurdism. Okay, so this one, let's say, represents absurdism. Then I will draw another circle. Okay, I hope it is in the frame. Like this, and this one will represent existentialism. Okay, these are the two ideologies for which we are talking about. Okay, I think it is going out of the frame. Let me uh, write again. This one is existentialism. I hope this time it is okay. It is still outside. Existential. Okay, so that is existentialism, and these are the two ideologies or for which we are talking about. Okay, so there is common between them and there is separate between them. Okay, so what is common between them? So let me write the part which is common between them. Okay, so this is the common part. So both of them agrees, absurdism and existentialism, both of them agree that that no inherent meaning in life. So that is something on which both of them agree, that there is no inherent meaning in the that there is no inherent meaning in the life here, no inherent meaning. Okay, okay, there is no inherent meaning in life. That is something on which both of them agrees. Okay, then what is different between them? Okay, so there is no inherent meaning in life, but in existentialism, but people can create meaning through life choices. That is what existentialism tells us. Okay, that there is no inherent meaning in life, yes, but people can create meaning through life choices. Okay, through their life choices. Then what does absurdism says? Okay, so if I talk about the absurdism, so what does absurdism says? Absurdism says that there is no inherent meaning in life. Okay, and conflict between conflict between conflict between desire and absence of meaning. This is what we call absurd. This is what we call absurd. That is from where we get this absurdism, that there is no inherent meaning in life and there is a conflict between desire. So there is desire in people to find the meaning and there is absence of meaning in the universe. Okay, so there is a conflict between them and this entire conflict is called absurd. That is what is absurd, is that we are trying, that we have a desire to find meaning, we want to find meaning, but there is no meaning exists in the universe, and that this conflict between our desire and the absence, that is called absurd. That is from where we get this theory, this philosophy, absurdism. Okay, now existentialism is very clear on itself that you can create meaning through life choices and hence you can have your own meaning here. On the other hand, absurdism says that there is no meaning, but absurdism also says that absurdism also says still no inherent meaning in life, yet people can have a fulfilling life, fulfilling and happy life, happy life through experiences of this universe. So this is one point, this is one point, and this is one point. So this is basically the difference between them, and this is basically the common between them. Both of them agree that there is no inherent meaning in life. Existentialism says to you that but still people can create meaning through life choices, and absurdism says that no inherent meaning in life and conflict between desire and absence of meaning. That is your absurd, that there is a conflict as well between people's desire of meaning and there is absence of meaning, and yet people can have a fulfilling and happy life through experiences of this universe. So even though universe is meaningless, still whatever experiences, whatever things are provided by this universe, with those experiences people can find happiness. Happiness is not connected with meaning. That is what absurdism is telling you. It is different from nihilism. Nihilism is simply telling you that there is no meaning at all. That's it. Full stop. Period. Okay. But absurdism is giving you an extra after that as well, that even though there is no meaning in this world, that doesn't mean that you can't be happy in your life, you can't find, you can't have fulfilling life. That is not what absurdism is telling you. Absurdism is telling you that even though there is no meaning, you can still find happiness in your life, you can still live a prosperous, fulfilling life. Meaning has nothing to do with your life. So this is the difference between absurdism and existentialism. I hope you understood about both of these philosophies here. Thank you. So that is my today's video. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. Thank you.